Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you how to do the snap change magic card. And for this you need two cards and the grip should be like this, and we should keep the cards like this so that no one will notice that there are two cards, and the grip should be like this, and this goes like this. Index finger, you will release index finger's pressure with the help of middle finger, swipe it back and regain pressure on the index finger. Again, with the release pressure in the index finger, with the help of middle finger, swipe back, and it will look like this. From my view, it looks like this. You need a bit practice to master it. After a lot of practice, you have to change your grip like this, like I'm doing, and you have to flick your middle finger like this, and like this, yeah. And you can add a little snap as a distraction so that no one will notice you have just changed the snap, yeah, like this. So thank you guys for watching.